weightlifting chungchanga zona in nei pon ani hian ron chang don cheuni
in zavain chibai le vek ule tukin chu breakfast in ka chuak remchang riawa ka kalna vel te hi ron vlog ve mai mela amun te hi amoi ve riawa mu na min lo ti takin katia ka ron da vele mai mai li don ani abula changa atop thlengin min lo thlir sak le theu don nia chuan ka bula thu ka thian nu motor khal tu hi muslim ania chuwang chuan in mel hi ka ron tilang don lova lo she thiam don nia.
Sometimes I really hate my voice. Like, I hate listening to my own voice sometimes.
Same. But in the normal life, okay, I want to hear my voice.
But yours is beautiful. Moyem, shukran.
Today we will go to breakfast. We will enjoy.
Yeah.
Maybe she's working like, sometimes.
Yeah, it's the work,
pakhat kalo soi belle lokanga Qatar hi Dubai mola ron ti kha in la omle thina Dubai ani lova Qatar hi chu Middle East ram pakhat Qatar ani.
Okay, yeah. Where is G?
She's on the way too. I'm here from, I don't know, 5 minutes now.
You are only the one?
Yeah.
You know what Monty she told me?
Yeah.
يعني
Kiki Inglawani ki museum, Qatar museum. What did I say?
talk about what did you cook yesterday, I think.
No, I said I told Dana cold coffee, but maybe 1 or 3 times a year.
Oh, but if it is a hot coffee, it's fine with you, yeah?
Yeah. Hot coffee, yes. I always drink hot latte, even in summer.
Even you are under the sun.
Yes. What can I do, Habibti? This is me, just me and my little life. Arafti?
But if some
Ano ay so tuipuy mo helay tuipuy chuan so lai so cornish ka dihan na law ni ta amo in TVM hi tuipuy ni ta so lai so mani apo kaloti lan to ka cornish area amun moy hlom zwal lai big mo kan ti kha ni ta
night you can drink a coffee.
Of course.
Oh no, wallah, if I would drink it, I cannot sleep.
For people, coffee is for like to wake you up. For me, it make me feel sleepy. It just boosts my sleep. Coffee. Kachiano hi kalaw shil. Ti ami chuaning coffee hi. Inge ni inti harna nan mang china ke chu min ti mu chuak dai zok china mo. Chu kalaw shila. Tiang hi kan kan tam chu kan ni lo. Mase tiang hi kan ani. Min inti harna nan mang kha ke ni tan chuan mut kha lo chuak dai ya. Yeah.
You are a difference.
Yeah. Monty is unique, huh? You will never find another Monty in real life. Yes.
No fun.
There is no work for the staff, so even some hotels they cut salary. Yeah, because there is no work and nowadays no.
But how they will get his salary, Anima?
Yeah. This is not like this time is really bad. Kankal na tour. Yeah, this is the one. Sa? La, wala la.
This one?
I think I'm confused.
ينعطف يسارا
Melin TM. Chuan hi keima ei tur ania. Cheese roll. Chuan beef ania, aloo, rice, beef sausage bean. Timo. He ka tui hi khoya po ka ken tui lum. Kupon lam tui pui le kong pui te. Anom Melin TM. Ya. Kan lakon de wang Yang ni uneu hi a oma anh hi chu mizo ina kan em ta ni len lo no chuan hei hash brown te anh hi yan tuna kan om na hi Swiss hotel ni anh hi dessert ya shukran kan ho kavo ina kan meal kan menu chun tani ya hei heta hi marchate hi lo at a lo theya kan e chinang ta te ko han pakhatong one green and one red yeah wow. Thank you. Hi guys.
Hello.
Say hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great.
And this is my one love as well. I'm going to show just her hand. Don't expect more. Gee, it's been a long
Breakfast with the
time.
view.
I didn't see her for a decade.
Thank you. My love, take na fruits. All
It has also sauce always.
with the plants.
أيوة
and
أيوة أيوة
the-
هذه حلو 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 دانا amazing.
Because when I'm running there, I always go for fresh juice there
Where?
in Wakra. Before I live in this one.
Which
Yeah,
Wakra?
Wakra
It's just the end of the soup.
It's close to Dana's house before.
أيوة.
Huh?
Ah, that area.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I told you, diba, I'm close to you.
There is a
I'm just-
restaurant over that side?
Yeah, مو يعني it's
It's
inside the
nice,
soup,
it's
but
nice.
near
It's
Dana.
cozy.
Is it the Italian restaurant?
No, no, it's
And
not
Souk, yeah, this side, Dana, the old,
Yeah, the
old
Dana's,
house,
yeah,
that,
Dana-
that side.
It's like there's a lot of grass and plants. Like this.
You told me also to come at that place, Monty, my love, before.
Which
you told
one?
me you found a new place in
Because,
Wakra, so
last time I saw Maria, she go that restaurant.
What new
she
place?
posted.
For what? Yeah, yani.
before you told me, my love, let's go to Wakra Souk. I will, let's have coffee there. I know a place. It's
Ah, no,
good.
no, that coffee shop is 83.
What?
83.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
not that
La,
one.
la,
not this.
something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
It's
near,
near.
yeah, near that. I know that one, yeah.
Kalas, I'm from Wakra now soon, and Kalas. we will just go there again. I don't like sugar on my coffee.
Yeah,
I'm
sugar,
already
there is
eating
sugar.
sugar here.
No, I just want sweet little.
Pero ito, may sugar.
Brown. Ah, I didn't see
Tizong
that.
hanin color lo fuzo ka lo pulo to kama se tui lampon lampam kakalaw do siya
I ordered that kiwi.
kabang kanin
But my love, we should be eat
se
before.
hindi tizong hanin light hi
For
fuzo
all,
ka.
before all of the... Sawi. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. It's okay, we're all full.
Happy Dana, we will not drink today.
You will train at 3.
How is your
Still have
croissant?
time.
Hmm?
We paid.
How's your
I
croissant?
didn't try it, my love.
It will go. It will go. Not
The papaya is
the
no.
melon.
The pineapple is nice.
Yes.
Really bad, nice.
Zuai is sour but sweet. Yeah.
By the way, kiwi.
You know, in Mizoram we have very sweet pineapple. Very juicy and so sweet.
Sorry. How was it? Crunchy. Rice cake na ata.
Hey, by the way, how was that? The party.
Well, didn't come, my love. I asked her. I asked her why you didn't come.
Okay, listen. You know, I
No,
thought
but she told me from before that she will be busy.
yeah. I thought
But she
it's
will
gonna
come.
be 3 of you. In my mind when she put for me the blind
But voila,
restaurant.
this weekend,
Yeah, she said you're
like
busy.
endless meeting, like multiple meetings, and then I go here and there to check and keep calling people, arrange the time to meet, and like, voila, I was so busy.
But
I didn't rest
asked
this
you,
weekend.
Yeah, my love from before. So I think she's busy.
Voila.
my
To be
love,
honest,
it's
I was
okay.
so busy the last weekend. I need to go for a meeting before I go to gym.
We are here now.
Sorry. Are you coming direct to Wakra now?
Oh my love, I have tried enough now.
So only me and Maria
Yeah.
will go back. Okay.
Yeah, I have.
Team cruise ships, huh? Ming katiar palo Caribbean din kasya pakasasa.
I see it already. I make it already.
Yes, I guess.
Sometimes if you make a
Yeah, sometimes if you see something, same. My client also, she have. I know. I do this one there. I like the style like this.
Ole, yeah, kanla ulit to you're so welcome. Look at her. Hanen teo. Nya breakfast sa changin kan ho at suanin he kachian do dan na hi tihan na kan tho hun timing kala ni lo dewa wangin ka meeting a ka shwayang che katia ma se ka meeting po kan cancel le other car ni vel 2 hours. We still have 2 more hours, right?
Yes.
So 2 hours tahan kan relax
hours
nga.
to sleep.
Yeah, to sleep and talk. Yeah. One day, she's Dana. She's the best
Hi,
coach in
guys.
Wakra. Are you? Okay. She's
Maybe top 2
okay.
for now.
Okay. And he professional weightlifter niya. International level so many times competition. Even number 1 champion so many times, right?
Enough.
So,
Enough.
she's shy now. She's my sweetie pie. So, yeah, amahi weightlifter niya, international level po, alo
Now we
champion
can do the
photo.
podcast.
Yeah, so
On the rooftop soon.
yes. So, next week she's going to move closer to me.
Yes.
Carly, hiyanin
So,
ka maaron
more
in
videos
Sondo na-
together.
Oh yeah, more videos. Tuanin na hi ay penthouse niya, rooftop ka ni. We are going to do the full setup in the penthouse. We will do more podcasts talking about the
Fitness,
and about the like weightlifting competition and all. If you want to know about like international weightlifting competition, right?
Yes.
So this is Asian and also international.
European,
Yeah. So katya ang ka experience na cha ama po hivoitam alo champion to a weight category so anin nakina podcast kalaron ne puyang. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Say thank you.
Thank you guys.
Subscribe.
Like, subscribe,
And
and comment
comment.
down below.